teacher. Kay mami, kani? Sige. Ako na. Dili na good smile. Ready, one. Ano kasi na mo smile kapit? One. Ako ako dahil. Wala din pa.
Tapos na kami. Oh, gulong-gulong buhay na. Shiny na ang mga
Shiny shimmering na. Dili na siya kung oil lagi di siya.
Grabe na to. This is it.
Next, ayun. Ha?
Hey friends! Oh wow, I look so haggard already. We just finished my hair and makeup appointment today. Supposedly 10 yung may makeupan, but I don't know what happened. Naging 5 na lang, kaya medyo hindi naman kami maagang natapos. It's just kasi konti lang, and then late na din sila dumating yung mga people na may makeupan. So hindi pa ako nakapag-lunch. Yeah, me and Rookie is over there kasi may tinignan siya doon. So we're just parking here. So after here, kakain muna siguro kami kasi meron ng klase. Tapos after dito, I don't know, baka uuwi muna ako kasi magluluto pa ako ng cake. Ay, mag-icing pala ng cake. So uuwi ako dahil po si Rookie na yung kukuha ng mga bata, and then yeah. I don't feel so tired, but I just feel sleepy, but I'm not feeling tired. Pero my eyes looks tired. Yeah. So gross already, guys. Okay. Oh, grabe. Ang saya-saya. I really had fun working with my friend Anne and LJ. Shout out to Anne and LJ. Thank you so much, girls. Yeah. Thank you so much. Grabe. Natapos din today, so I'm so low energy kasi I need water. I didn't have any water there. Yeah, kasi medyo busy na, tapos nagmamadali na din kami. So, mag-stop over na lang siguro. Stop over kami siguro sa seaside. I don't know yet, but yeah, sa seaside, and maybe grab something to eat there. I wanted to eat a donut, but hindi na muna kasi too much sweet na. Yeah, lately, I've been eating a lot of donuts, so yun na lang. So, I'm gonna see you later, guys. Hopefully, if, hindi ako mapagod. So, hopefully, see you! Finally, eating time! Grabe, I'm so hungry. Anong nangyari? Nandito kami sa Jollibee. Of course, palabok na naman. Palabok na naman. Hello, guys. We are home. And grabe, ang shiny na talaga ng fez natin. Wow, look at my necklace, guys. Do you like this? I think this is from Forever 21. I forgot. But I really miss wearing this one. I have yung parang beads ba yun na maliliit na white, and I like that one too, yung mga chunky necklace like this, yung parang if you're wearing something really, not really, if you're wearing something, you know, regular ba? Oh my god, I cannot talk, I'm so sleepy. I'm sleepy but not yung, I know, I feel weird, I'm tired na, I don't know, but I'm not sleepy at yung feeling na ganyan. So I really like my necklace. Can you see that? It has basta yung hindi siya unique yung niya, yung chain niya. And then matching with these earrings, yung parang ganyan din. Diba, bongga? So, we're home na, like I've said, and I'm drinking coffee kasi I haven't gotten my dose of coffee for the day. So, kumain kami dun sa Jollibee, but I don't like their coffee, and they don't also have coffee daw, sabi ng girl, kaya wag na lang din. I wanted to go to Waffle Time, pero ang layo ng Waffle Time nalapit sa food court, so we just waited, and finally, I'm having my coffee, and also, guess what? Ding! Oh, ang hirap. Ding! Donuts! Wow, ang hirap. I don't know. I wanna eat the matcha first because that is my new favorite. This is 40 pesos. 40 pesos guys, ang mahal. Yeah, for this one. Yung bagong donut ng Dunkin. Merong eclair or something, pero that's chocolate. I don't like anything called chocolate. Sana may sila yung coffee something like this, and it's so good. I'm gonna have my bite na pala. Grabe. Delicious. So you wanna eat it? Oh. Come here. Ikin na siya. Ay. It's so good. Kada ko ni magkaon. Uy, man na. Uy. Gabi. Hot doon niya tanan. Oh, gamay lang kayo. Konti na naiwan. Dami. Dami na.
Magtambal.
Matcha. Ihas mo ni siya. Delicioso. After eating this one, I think I'm going to change my clothes and take a rest. Clothes? Take a rest. Kasi mag-icing pa ako ng cake. So, hopefully, I will see you later, friends. Okay. From a nap. Sorry. Ew, I look so ewy. So, I just woke up from nap. I think that I sleep like mga... Ang ingay kasi ni Maui. Like mga 30 minutes lang or 45 minutes, and then I woke up kasi alis na si Ruki to fetch the children, and yeah, I already changed clothes kasi I was feeling so uncomfortable and I really wanted to wash my face, but since nakatulog ako, then hindi na, tapos mamaya na lang ako mag-wash ng face, and now I am doing I'm making frosting for my cake. Maui! No! Saba kay ka. Do not orosay. I'm making a frosting for my cake guys. And I'm melting the butter. Stuff, I have my mixing bowl here. My sifter and my powdered sugar. I will just be making a simple buttercream, chocolate buttercream frosting, and yeah, the butter's there already melting. Then I'm gonna start because it's already 5 and I wanted to keep this refrigerator for at least mag-set siya konti kasi it, you know naman, it is so hot here in the Philippines. And here's my cream too, so I really need to set this before I spread it to cake para hindi siya masyadong melted. So yan, ready to go. So here's my chocolate frosting guys. Ignore the surroundings kasi ang daming powdered sugar. So yeah, it tastes so good. Grabe, it's so thick and tastes so good. Love it. I crumb coated, but I think I did it a little heavy. I'm supposed to crumb coat this first and chill this, but okay na to. At least konti na lang yung ko kasi i-decorate ko pa siya. And yeah, I'm going to put this inside the refrigerator para mag-set konti. Wow, our cake looks really delicious.